Welcome to my channel, A Healing Haven, Meditation Mystics. Want to know what your birth date holds and how it affects your destiny and wealth? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of numerology and discover how the numbers of your birth date can reveal the key to your financial well-being? In this video, we'll dive into the world of ancient wisdom and unveil secrets that will help you attract money and prosperity into your life. Numbers as the language of the universe. Imagine the universe speaking in the language of numbers. But before we dive into the video, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, I'm Naveen Zatari. If you enjoy my content and want to support my channel, be sure to check the description box. I've included links to the tools that empower my videos, like Flicky, which helps me create engaging videos from scripts, and vidIQ, which provides insights to grow my channel. You can test out Flicky for free or explore vidIQ. The links are below. Okay, my friends, so since ancient times, people have noticed that numbers carry a hidden energy and can influence our destiny. Every birth date is a unique code, encrypted in numbers, which reveals certain information about our character, talents, and potential to achieve financial success. In numerology, each number symbolizes specific qualities, and the combination of numbers in our birth date can determine our strengths and weaknesses in the financial sphere. It's like a unique key to the vaults of our financial potential, which can unlock the secrets of our financial well-being. Deciphering your birth number. To unravel the mysteries of your financial potential, you need to calculate your birth number. It's a simple and interesting calculation that will help us understand the secrets of our financial potential. To do this, add all the digits in your birth date. For example, if you were born on the 15th of March 1990, your calculation would be 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equal 28. Then add the digits of the result until you get a single-digit number. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Your birth number is 1. The significance of your birth number in numerology. Let's now see what the number 1 means in the context of financial success. The number 1 is a symbol of leadership, ambition, independence, and self-confidence. People born under the influence of this number have vibrant energy. They strive to reach the top and aren't afraid to take responsibility. Financial success for them is not an end in itself, but a way to realize their ideas and achieve independence. They have an inner fire of self-realization that can lead them to financial prosperity. Examples of successful people. Among people with the birth number 1, we can find many successful business people, entrepreneurs, leaders, and executives. For instance, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. They were all born under the influence of the number 1. Their lives are vivid examples of how the energy of number 1 can lead to incredible success. In the financial world, they weren't afraid to take risks, think outside the box, and take responsibility, which helped them achieve their financial success. The path to financial stability. Of course, your birth number is not a guarantee of financial success. It's like a compass that can point us in the right direction, but it's up to us to follow that path and how we use our strengths and talents. If you are guided by the number 1, don't be afraid to take risks. Go all out and don't give up in the face of obstacles. Your energy and ambition are your most important allies on the path to financial success. Remember, the inner fire of self-realization can only be ignited by you. The influence of other numbers. Don't forget that your birth date is not the only factor influencing your financial success. Our character, efforts, skills, attitude towards money, and environment also play crucial roles. Numerology is not fortune-telling on coffee grounds. It's a tool for self-discovery that can help us understand our strengths better and direct our efforts in the right direction. It's like a roadmap that shows us the way, but it's up to us to decide how we use this information. Awakening your inner power. Remember that each of us possesses immense potential to achieve financial well-being. Your birth date is not a sentence, but a key to self-discovery. Use numerology as a tool to develop your talents, strengthen your strengths, and attract money into your life. Remember that within you lies unlimited potential that can help you achieve financial success. Creating your financial success, you, and only you, have the power to create your own financial success. Your birth date can guide you, but it's up to you to decide how you use this information. Be proactive, grow, set goals, and don't be afraid to achieve your financial success. Remember that you are not limited by your birth date. You can create your own reality and achieve any goal you set for yourself. Number 2. Harmony and balance. People with a birth number 2 possess an inner sense of harmony and balance. They often attract financial flows due to their talent for diplomacy, cooperation, and establishing strong connections. It's important for them to find their niche, where they can use their talent for creating harmony and successfully collaborate with others. Number 3. Creativity and expression. People with a birth number 3 have a vivid imagination and creative potential. They often find financial success in creative professions like music, art, design, and writing. It's important for them to find their expression and use their talent to create something new and unique. Number 4. Organization and discipline. People with a birth number 4 possess excellent organization and discipline. They often find financial success in practical professions like construction, engineering, and management. It's important for them to build a solid foundation for their financial well-being and follow their plans with discipline and determination. Number 5. Adventure and change. People with a birth number 5 are curious and have a thirst for adventure. They often find financial success in professions related to travel, communication, and trading. It's important for them not to stay in one place, but to constantly develop and explore new opportunities. Number 6. Harmony and compassion. People with a birth number 6 have a sense of compassion and strive for harmony. They often find financial success in professions related to helping people, social work, and healthcare. It's important for them to find their path in life that brings them both financial well-being and satisfaction from helping others. Number 7. Wisdom and intuition. People with a birth number 7 have deep intuition and a thirst for knowledge. They often find financial success in professions related to science, research, and education. It's important for them to use their wisdom and intuition to achieve financial success. Number 8. Power and authority. People with a birth number 8 possess inner strength and strive for power. They often find financial success in business, politics, and finance. It's important for them to use their power and influence to achieve financial well-being. Number 9. Humanism and spirituality. People with a birth number 9 have humanitarian values and strive for spirituality. They often find financial success in professions related to art, culture, and philanthropy. It's important for them to use their talents to help people and create a better world. Important advice: remember, your birth number is just one of many facets of your character and potential. Don't blindly believe in prophecies and predictions, but don't ignore your inner instincts either. Use numerology as a tool for self-discovery, to better understand your strengths, weaknesses, and create your own path to financial success. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you have the power to take control of your financial destiny, to overcome the challenges that have been holding you back, and to unlock new opportunities for wealth and abundance. It means that you can use your birth date as a roadmap to financial freedom and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What's your birth date, and how do you think it's influenced your financial journey so far? And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of financial empowerment and numerology, be sure to check out my next video. where we'll explore even more secrets and strategies for unlocking your financial potential. See you in the next video.